Good morning, this is Jack from Charting the Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Wednesday, the 14th of January. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing, learn from it, transfer it to your own charts, and I'm not here to shoot trading signals. This is a video for paying subscribers at ctmcrypto.substack.com, and it's published on YouTube after a delay of 3 days. All right, great. Well, we finally saw some action yesterday. It went up a bit, and it got close to my target, didn't quite hit it, but very close, because my target was this trend line here, ideally, although there are other potential options. Let's just consider those other potential options now for a moment. What I was looking for was a higher high, which we'd seen, but a higher high which is high enough to deliver a decent flag resistance. This wasn't one of the ones I had in mind. It could be, but ideally it would still come up to this trend line here, which I've got in the, hang on a second, sorry. Right, I've got that in about the 97.8 area. And it hasn't reached it yet, and I think it might reach it, or it might fall short. But this is where I was looking for a move up to and a fail. So we'll see how that goes. In terms of the trend line, this is the one I was looking for here. You can see that's up at about the 97.8 area. Okay, looking at Solana. Solana, we have had a bit more upside as well. We have got back up to the daily upper band, but more to the point, we got up to the double bottom resistance, which I've got, on this chart here at 146.91, and it has broken over it slightly. So what I was talking about was ideally what we would do is it would break up from this double bottom and then it would fail. So I'm now looking around for a fail. Okay, looking at the Ethereum chart, again, we've gone a little higher. Here, I wasn't really looking for a higher high. We could see one, but what I was looking for really was ideally a little higher than it was, but it doesn't need to be anywhere in particular. So we're in the zone, or at least slightly below it. We will see how it goes. We do not have any sell signals here. We will see how that goes today, but we're now in the zone where I was looking for a failure, and I'm thinking we will probably see a fail. But it might need to go a little higher first. Do we have any sell signals on the hourlies? We do not. So, all right, so we've finally seen some movement. We're getting now pretty close. It could turn at any time, but ideally, I would like to see Bitcoin head up to that 97.8 trend line and hit it and fail there. All right, great. In that case, let's have a quick look. I didn't see that today. What was that about? All right, anyway, in that case, no worries. We will see how that goes. Nice to see it finally move, because I was beginning to wonder. Yeah, possibly. We'll talk about that before the next webinar. I'll start it 5 minutes earlier and let's chat about it. All right, anyway, everyone take care. Catch you tomorrow morning.